Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone,
and seeing notifications for $100 in earnings, no office commute,
no 9 to 5 grind, just you making money on your terms. It's possible. In today's video,
I'm going to show you realistic and proven ways to earn $100 a day online in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or want to scale up your current efforts,
I've got you covered. Best part? No huge investment, no fancy degrees, and definitely no scams. Let's dive in. Section 1, Freelancing. Let's kick things off with freelancing. If you have a skill, there's a platform for you to monetize it. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Preferred platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer,
and TopTal for higher-end gigs. In-demand skills required for this are content writing,
graphic design, video editing, SEO, social media management, data entry, virtual assistants, and more. Strategy to use for fast growth. To succeed, pick a niche. Specializing helps you stand out. For example, instead of just writing, focus on writing blog posts for tech companies. Create a compelling profile, showcase your best work,
and offer value-based pricing, which means charging based on the results you deliver,
not just the time you spend. Quick tip: even if you're a beginner,
you can start charging $25 to $50 per project. If you complete just 2 to 4 small tasks a day,
you've already hit your $100 goal.
And as you gain experience, you can increase your rates.
Freelancing platforms are saturated, but don't let that discourage you. You'll start small, but with consistent effort, you'll start building a reputation.
Plus, platforms like Fiverr let you offer package deals, so if you add more services or offer additional value,
you can easily make more than $100 a day. Section 2, Selling digital products. Next, let's talk about selling digital products.
This method can generate a steady stream of passive income,
which means you do the work once, and then the product keeps selling over time. Products you can sell digitally: ebooks, digital art, Notion templates, printables, budgeting tools, workout plans, and online courses. On the platforms: Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, Teachable, or even your own website. Strategy to use for fast results.
Create high-quality digital products that solve a problem or fulfill a need.
For example, if you're great at organization, you could create a set of customizable Notion templates. Or if you're into fitness, a 30-day workout plan could be a huge hit. Once you create these,
you can continue selling them without any additional work.
Example: let's say you're selling a $10 product, like a budgeting tool. If you make 10 sales a day,
you'll earn $100.
And getting 10 sales isn't as hard as it sounds.
Consistent marketing through social media platforms like Pinterest,
Instagram, or TikTok can help you reach a wider audience. One of the best things about selling digital products is the scalability. Once your product is made, you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Everything is automated. And with the right marketing strategy, your product can keep making money for you while you sleep. Section 3, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online by promoting products that you already love and use.
You get paid a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join this programs for affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates,
Impact, Share a Sale,
or niche-specific affiliate programs like those for tech gadgets or digital tools.
Content you should create to share this link: blog posts, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, Pinterest Pins Extra. Strategy that may help you.
The key here is to promote products that align with your audience's interests and needs.
Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Trust is crucial. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Pro tip:
let's say you're promoting a $50 product with a 20% commission. If you generate 10 clicks and 4 purchases,
that could net you $100.
With the right content and audience,
you can even scale this up and make more. Affiliate marketing is powerful because, once you build an audience, it's relatively hands-off. You create the content once,
and as long as your affiliate links are active, you can continue earning commissions without much additional effort.
Section 4, Online Tutoring or Coaching. Here's a fantastic option if you have expertise in any area: tutoring or coaching.
Whether it's academic subjects,
coding, finance, or fitness, people are willing to pay for your knowledge. Subjects you should focus on: school level tutoring, language learning, coding, fitness training, finance coaching, etc. Platforms to share your knowledge: Preply, Chegg, Superprof, or even offering your own coaching services via Zoom. Strategy that you can try: charge $25 to $50 per hour for your time, and if you do just a couple of 1 or 2 hour sessions a day, you'll hit your $100 goal. Bonus tip: don't just teach live, record your sessions, and later turn them into digital courses or guides. You can sell these for additional income, creating both active and passive income streams. Plus, online tutoring is super flexible. You can work with students from around the world, and the demand for tutoring services has been growing, especially in subjects like coding and language learning. Section 5: Content Creation. Content creation is another path that can eventually generate a significant income stream. While it takes time to build an audience, it's a long-term game that can be extremely rewarding. Platforms you should focus on: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, blogging. Monetization methods after you completed their eligibility program: ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and many more. Strategy to gain audience: start by creating valuable content that serves your audience. You don't need a huge following to make money. What matters most is consistency and the value you provide. As your audience grows, you can start monetizing through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and merchandise. Reality you should keep in mind: it's not realistic to expect $100 a day in your first month of content creation, but with consistent posting, you could be hitting that goal in 3 to 6 months. And once you build a library of content, those views and income keep coming in. Inspiration: content creators from all walks of life are making a living by sharing their knowledge, doing reviews, vlogging, and more. The key is to be authentic and consistent. There you go, 5 realistic ways to make $100 a day online in 2025. Whether you choose freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, or content creation, the most important thing is to pick one method, stay consistent, and keep scaling slowly over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which method you're going to try first. Bonus: follow our Instagram page Finance Fluent for daily market updates. See you in the next one.